It's a great day at Swiss Watch Expo. I'm Tim, and today we're going to talk about the Omega Seamaster Aqua Terra Goodplanet collection. So welcome back, and today we are going to talk about the GoodPlanet collection and relationship with the GoodPlanet Foundation with Omega. You know, in the past they've done a couple of documentaries with Omega, the GoodPlanet Foundation. They did the Planet Ocean, which really talked about the relationship between the environment of the ocean and humanity, and then later on they did the Terra documentary, which talked about the relationship between humanity and animals. They did a couple of timepieces to kind of commemorate those two documentaries. The second of the two for the Terra was the Aqua Terra Titanium on Titanium 150 meter Seamaster Aqua Terra. Now, beautiful timepieces. They are going to be all titanium that you see here. They're going to come in two different sizes, a 38.5 millimeter that you see here, and also the 43 millimeter, which is a larger size here. Starting off with a 38.5 millimeter, you're going to see this dial is beautiful. It's a white lacquered dial, and you have the blue indices right here going through with the elements of the timepiece. Really shows off that timepiece and shows off the dial itself, kind of bringing the environmental look of the blue and the stark white. And then you come over here to the 43 millimeter, which is a little bit larger. And the reason they made it a little bit larger because they put that 24-hour GMT scale on the minute scale going around the timepiece. A stunning timepiece, all titanium. This is grade 5 titanium, so it has kind of a darker look to the metal itself, but it really looks like stainless steel. It feels so light, but so durable. The case itself is titanium, going along with a beautiful titanium bracelet at the end with a butterfly clasp at the bottom. Now, looking on the inside, you're going to see the sapphire crystal has an exhibition case, protects the exhibition case that shows off the movement itself. The movement is a master coaxial chronometer, and it's a stunning, stunning movement. Completely anti-magnetic to 15,000 Gauss, plus you're going to have a shock resistancy and a water resistivity of 150 meters. Now, if you look closely, you'll also see GoodPlanet Foundation printed in just a valiant blue. That really kind of showcases what you see on the other side of the timepiece also. So if you like this timepiece, or if you want to learn more about this timepiece, contact us at SwissWatchExpo.com.